How to create Facebook account without phone number and email address. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Facebook application and then tap on the menu bar from your top right corner. Then drag down the menu bar. Now go to create Facebook profile. Select personal profile and then tap on next. And then simply enter your profile name, tap on continue and then tap on create profile. And now you can see your new profile is being created without having to add any new phone number or email address. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.